is two poems. These poems actually poets are the dreamers. According to the great romantic poet William Wordsworth, poets are the dreamers, as the poets make our dreams real true or real. In the passage, we can find two poems. One is written by D.S. Lawrence. In the poem, the poet tells us that everybody dreams unconsciously, or some people who dream unconsciously at night, but when they get up in the morning, they forget everything, as they dream unconsciously at night. But there are some people in our society who dreams by day, keeping their eyes open. These people are dangerous because they want to make their dreams real true. We should refrain from such kind of people. Actually, dreams have great importance in our life. Without dream, man cannot live or man cannot reach to their destination. So, everybody hankers after dreams, but real dreams. In the second poem, this poem also deals with dreams. The poem is written by D.S. Langston Hughes. The second poem is written by Langston Hughes. In the poem, the poet tells us that we should hold fast to dreams, because if dreams go, if dreams flee away from us, life will be bird without wings or broken wings. In the poem, the poet also tells us that hold fast to dreams, because if dreams flee away from us, life will be a barren field frozen with snow. Discussing from two poems, we can say that dreams are important in our man's life or in our life. Without dream, we cannot reach to our destination. So, dreams are really important in our life. But such kind of dreams like D.S. Lawrence, such kind of dreamers are very harmful to our society, as they make their dreams real true. As they want to make their dreams real true, these people are dangerous for our society. They often dreams at day, keeping their eyes open, and always think how to fulfill their demand by competing or by exploiting cheap labor from our society. So we should refrain from such kind of people. Actually, William Wordsworth, a great romantic poet, has written that dreams are well. Everybody should have dreams, but dreams must be good. Dreamers who dream by day, these people are actually fictitious, these people are dangerous for our people, for our society. But they dream consciously. They always think how to exploit from cheap labor, how to exploit their money, how to exploit from cheap labor money, etc. from society. They want to make their business big. They want to make their building. They want to make their farms. Actually, these people are dangerous. But there are some people who dream at night unconsciously. These people are well. They don't try to make their dreams open. They don't try to make their dreams real. So these people are good. In the next poem, in the second poem, I also suggest you, student life is very difficult. You must have dreams. You must have great desire, great expectation in your life. But you have to fulfill your desire. But you must hold fast real dreams. You must keep fast real dreams. Without dreams, without real dreams, you cannot fly. That's why the poet said this. Langston Hughes tells us that. In the poem, Langston Hughes tells us that hold fast to dreams, for if dreams die, life is a bird broken with bird. Life will be a bird without life will be a bird without wings. He also tells us that hold fast to dreams, for if dreams flee away from us, life will be a barren field, frozen with snow. So we must cherish good dreams in our life, so that we can prepare for our life, for our next life, for our next generation. So if you keep dreams, but real dreams. Thank you for all. 5 minutes.
そういう意味です。